Hello Huckleberries, and welcome to a very different video. What do you guys think of this angle? This is a lot. I don't know what's happening. So one of my all-time favorite YouTubers, the OG, the queen herself, Jenna Marbles, one of my heroes, role models, internet friends who she doesn't know I exist, but anyways, she has done a few of these videos for her birthday, and I've always wanted to do it, and being that today is my birthday, and I have no plans and no friends and nothing to do, and I have so much wisdom to bestow on all of my huckleberries, I thought this was the perfect year to make a video like this. But in reality, I don't have a lot of wisdom to give you guys. It's kind of a joke. So instead of advice, I think I kind of want to list just my own personal truths. Things that I've really come to terms with over the last 27 years of my life, but especially the last 2 years of my life, because things have gotten crazy. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start number one off with a bang. The full moon is essentially a second PMS. So if by some magical, wonderful force, the full moon and my period intersect, you just hold on to your bootstraps, grab that bottle of whiskey, grab that pizza, put on some Disney, or even better, Les Miserables, sing your heart out, cry, do whatever you gotta do, girl, just don't go outside. Number two, you are not less intelligent for listening to audiobooks instead of reading, hashtag not spawn. Number three, you can do anything you set your mind to. I know this is such a cliche statement, you've heard it a million times, but I didn't start believing it until the last couple of years. Really, truly, you can do anything you set your mind to. Number four, Lord of the Rings may not be relevant to you, but it will always be relevant to me. Number five, you are not being unorganized if you know where everything is. Number six, cooking is the most fun with opera music.
If you like spaghetti, especially the house.
Goes with the opera.
Number seven, opera music will always make me think of Fatal Attraction and then I'm scared. Number eight, being unapologetically yourself is a very millennial thing to do. And that's okay. So stop apologizing. Number nine, your friends are not your boyfriend, but your boyfriend should be your friend. But I don't have either, so what am I even talking about? Number 10, tattoos belong to the artist just as much as they belong to you. Number 11, as much as I hate wearing a bra, sometimes it's just for the best. Number 12, as much as I hate shaving my armpits, sometimes it's just for the best. Just kidding! Number 13, there will always be time for more hairstyles. So don't take it too seriously. Haters. Haters? Hairters? Hairters. Number 14. You have more control over your social media feed than you give yourself credit for. Number 15. Never forget the way that people and experiences make you feel. The people and experiences that make you feel the best are the things that you should surround yourself with the most. Number 16. Fear is the last reason not to do something. And if you actually chase after your fears, eventually you'll become a badass. Or something. Or you'll just always be afraid. Never mind. But you should do it. Yeah. Chase your fears. Number 17. Write down your ideas. You will forget them. Write them down. Kind of like how I wrote down all of these at like 4 a.m. because I couldn't sleep. That's probably why they're not very good. But write down your ideas. Number 18, sing like nobody's listening. And I'm talking about like when you're walking down the street or waiting for the bus or something. Because if it's your only time of the day that you can sing and you're not singing because there's people around, then suddenly a month goes by and you haven't sang at all and then you can't sing anymore. And you love singing, so just, you just have to make do with what you have. So just, sing like no one's listening, even though someone's listening. Number 19, don't live with someone until you've gone on vacation with them. Number 20 is listen to your gut and make the time so that you can actually hear it. That means turning off your TV or your phone, meditating, journaling, whatever it might be. But if you don't actually take the time to have quiet and to listen to your own intuition, you might be ignoring your own best judgment on something that's important. Number 21. Before you order that next alcoholic drink, think about the next morning. There's always soda water. Number 22. Don't be afraid to try anything once. Except meth. Number 23. Cigarettes and those awful vape thingies that all the kids use these days, they're all disgusting, and I don't care if you're offended because you offended me first. Number 24. Trip once in your flip-flops? Shame on me. Trip twice in your flip-flops? Go buy some damn new flip-flops. Number 25. It is never too late to try something new or to reinvent yourself. And for every moment that you spend thinking it's too late, you're simply putting off your inevitable happiness. Number 26. Variety is the spice of life, but sometimes it's okay to have a little mirepoix as well. Do you get that? Like mirepoix, it's like classic, standard, go-to, you know, like routine. Mirepoix. It was really late when I wrote these, I don't know. And last but not least, number 27. Money will come and go throughout your life, so don't sweat it. But when you do spend money, make sure it's going to something meaningful. Alright guys, so what did you guys think of my list? Maybe don't tell me that, actually. I guess the overall theme is to just
do it! Just do it!
I'm getting a FaceTime call.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Beastie. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Oh shit.
I've definitely been a chameleon throughout my life. I'm always trying new things, reinventing myself. My look changes from year to year, and I've definitely changed depending on my surroundings. And that's not necessarily a bad thing, but it can be. I think regardless of the trends, of your environment, of all the things that influence us, I think the most important thing is to simply live life on purpose. Don't just go through the motions of day-to-day life without looking back or looking forward, without questioning the people around you and without questioning yourself. Live life purposefully and passionately, and you'll be okay. And with every year that I get older, that seems to get easier for me. More and more am unapologetically me. That is definitely my favorite part about getting older. My least favorite part are these crow's feet. Right here, you wanna see? Yeah, I can't even smile anymore without realizing I'm old. So here's to another year. If you are still watching this video, first of all, thank you. But second of all, comment down below one piece of advice you have to remind yourself of from time to time. Thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me over the last 2 years of making videos. And if you're new here, thank you guys for joining in on the journey. It's been a wild ride, and I'm so excited to see what this next year brings. If you enjoyed this video and want more videos like this one, give it a thumbs up so I know, and I will see you all really soon with another video. In the meantime, I hope you're all doing very well. I love you guys so much. Peace.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it.